InVade Bio Drain is a thickened gel cleaning formula for direct applications to drains as well as other hard surfaces. Like other InVade products, it contains the cleaning power of premium natural microbes and citrus oil. Apply Bio Drain thickened formula to coat the drain, grate, and any surfaces around the drain that have organic buildup. The thick coating action maximizes contact time, which enhances the digestion of organic buildup on drain walls and the elimination of odors. BioDrain also works well in the drains of soda and beer drip trays. Soda fountains often develop what's known as sugar snake, when sugar buildup accumulates inside the drain hoses. These tiny hoses can be difficult to get biofoam down into and are therefore difficult to clean. BioDrain is an excellent solution to this problem. BioDrain can also be used with power sprayers, hose end sprayers, and mopping applications. This product also provides an add-on sales opportunity, as it can be sold to your clients for addressing drain issues between scheduled surfaces. InVade BioZap is a versatile, ready-to-use probiotic spray for organic odor elimination, quickly eliminating odors at the source. The microbes in BioZap digest the organic matter causing those nasty odors. Plus, BioZap features a pleasant, natural citrus scent. BioZap is designed for use on hard surfaces and on carpets, rugs, and fabrics without staining. Just be sure to test any hard-to-clean fabrics first. Use BioZap for smoke odors embedded in furniture and vehicle upholstery, litter boxes, trash receptacles, bathrooms, and for fogging into crawl spaces and attics to eliminate animal odors. Use BioZap to get rid of any kind of organic odor at the source.